guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today, as you know, Raksha Bandhan is coming up, we are making a cute Rakhi. So for this Rakhi activity, we will need wool, any color you like, some ribbon, also any color you like, and some beads. I've got a lot in here, your inspiration and creativity, and some of the art supplies if you like. So we will take the wool and put our fingers like this, like we're biting something. Like this. You can do 30 to 40 rounds. One. Okay guys, so I did the wraps and we're gonna take it out of my finger. Yes. Now we are going to put it like this. Now we're going to tie it like this from the middle. Alright, there you go. We're going to make it like that. Yes. Now we're going to take this and we're going to put it inside. Yeah. I got my fingers. So I'm going to put it down and I'm going to tie it very, very tight. Wait. Alrighty. From the middle? Yes. We're going to do double or triple or 4 times amount. I don't know. It has to be very, 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 very tight. Okay, now you can see both the sides like this. We're gonna cut that. Okay, so the cutting from both sides is done. Now we're gonna like massage it and give it a haircut. So massaging means like just knead it all out. Now we're gonna give it a really cute haircut. Ooh, yeah, I'm a tailor. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay guys, so the cutting is done. And also I have made a small one too, the same instructions. So I was thinking to put the small one on top. That'll look so cute, guys. We got the hard paper for some reason, of course. So we're gonna cut a strip and cut like a square. You could do bigger. I just did it too small. Like a rectangle thing. We're gonna put it on top of this, then on top of this, then put it on this because, of course. I'm going to glue this onto this. Then I will glue this part onto this. Yes. It looks like half a rainbow. So also I have like these sequence bunny ears. I'm going to put it on this. Dude, maybe I should just put it in the middle. That looks so cute in the middle. Okay, so we're gonna take the hard paper and no, not the hard paper. We're gonna glue this between right here. This is like a fantasy. Whoever you give this Rakhi to, they can just flip it while it's on their hand. Oh my gosh. Now we're going to take our ribbon and put this on the ribbon. So I changed it. Okay, for the eyeballs, I'm going to put like pearl type of beads on top of this for the eyes. Okay. You can do anything for the eyes, your choice, of course. You can even draw the eyes with hard paper. I did it with the beads. Just like a bunny. Maybe I should put some black things to be the pupils, of course. So then we're going to take the hard paper and do it into like a circle on the back. Then put it on this. And then from this side of the Rakhi, we're going to put the circle again. Okay guys, I already have a hard paper circle cut out. And I'm going to stick it on to the ribbon. By the way, whoever you're giving this to whoever you're giving the Rakhi to, they're going to be very surprised and very happy. So we're gonna put this and then put glue right here, then stick it on. Okay. There you go. Okay guys, so our Rakhi is ready. This is so exciting, guys. So, hope you guys enjoyed this wool Rakhi making video. Bye guys! Happy Raksha Bandhan, boys and girls.